Let's get into a comfortable position. Take a deep breathe in and a deep breathe out. Let's begin.
I'm at peace with myself and the world around me. My mind is calm and focused during meditation. I trust the process of meditation to bring clarity to my life. I let go of any thoughts that no longer serve me. I am fully present in this moment of stillness. My body is relaxed and my mind is at peace. I invite calmness and tranquility into my life. I am connected to the peaceful energy within me. Each breath I take brings me deeper into relaxation. I am centered, grounded, and focused. I release all tension from my mind and body. I embrace the silence and stillness within. I am open to the insights and clarity that meditation brings. I allow myself to fully relax and let go. I trust in the healing power of meditation. I am in tune with the present moment. I find peace in the quiet spaces of my mind. I am aligned with the energy of the universe. I release any stress or anxiety during meditation. I am fully present, allowing thoughts to flow freely without attachment. I welcome the peace and calm that meditation brings into my life. I am aware of my thoughts and emotions without judgment. I embrace the power of stillness and mindfulness. I am connected to the deeper wisdom within me. I am open to experiencing inner peace. Meditation brings me clarity and inner calm. I release any need for perfection and embrace the present. I am grateful for the practice of meditation. I cultivate peace and mindfulness within myself. I find balance through stillness and quietness. I am free from distractions during my meditation practice. I embrace the journey of self-discovery through meditation. I welcome the stillness of my mind and body. I am a peaceful observer of my thoughts and feelings. I create space for inner calm and reflection. I am connected to my inner peace and serenity. I am at ease with the silence within. I am free from the pressure of overthinking. Meditation brings me peace, clarity, and joy. I trust in the process of meditation to guide me to inner peace. I am at peace with whatever thoughts arise during meditation. My mind is clear and my spirit is at ease. I release all mental clutter and embrace clarity. I trust in the process of quieting my mind. I embrace the practice of mindfulness and stillness. I am fully present in the peaceful energy of meditation. I am connected to my higher self through meditation. Meditation brings harmony to my mind, body, and soul. I am open to the infinite possibilities that meditation brings.
As we end this session, breathe in as deeply as you can. Hold and exhale with a sigh. Thanks for being here.